Hampden neighborhood, Baltimore. A brief overview. Historical background. Hampden, a neighborhood in Baltimore, has a rich history that dates back to the 19th century. Originally an industrial area, it was known for its thriving textile mills and manufacturing industries. The neighborhood gained prominence as a working-class community with a strong sense of local identity. In the early 20th century, Hampden became a melting pot of immigrant communities, which contributed to its unique cultural and architectural character. Street boundaries: northwest, Wyman Park Drive; east, the Jones Falls Expressway I-83; south, 36th Street; west, Roland Avenue. Current demographics. As of the latest census data, Hampden has a population of approximately 7,000 residents. The demographic makeup is diverse, with a mix of working professionals, families, and retirees. The neighborhood is known for its vibrant, community-oriented atmosphere and a mix of younger and older residents. The median age is around 35 years old, reflecting a blend of long-time locals and newer, often younger, residents drawn to the area's charm. Housing market history. Past. Historically, Hampden's housing market was characterized by affordable homes, primarily row houses, which attracted working-class families. During the mid-20th century, the area experienced economic decline, leading to a drop in property values. Present. In recent decades, Hampden has seen significant gentrification and revitalization. The housing market has become increasingly competitive, with renovated row houses and new developments driving up property values. As of now, the median home price is around $400,000, reflecting the neighborhood's growing popularity and improved amenities. The future housing market in Hampden is expected to continue its upward trend, driven by ongoing investments in infrastructure and community development. However, this also raises concerns about affordability and displacement for long-time residents.